Welcome to the walkthrough for the Ute Master Mule-Tek front wall mounting system. So our customers told us that they wanted to mount a wide range of accessories to their front wall of their canopy, but they didn't want to penetrate through the front wall. Now, setting up an electrical system in your canopy can be especially useful if you're building a touring system for a fridge, lighting, or any other amenities you want to take along with you. Or if you're a tradie wanting to build a capable work vehicle that can charge batteries or even power a coffee machine for cafe quality coffee on site. Now, normally fitting up an electrical system to your canopy can be a bit of a nightmare. Trying to work out where to mount all the accessories, where to run the wiring, and then trying to install it all while inside the confined space of a canopy can be a real challenge. So we set about to solve that. You need somewhere solid and clean to mount it all. And that's where the Ute Master front wall mounting panel comes in. This panel bolts straight into the Centurion canopy's aluminium frame, so it's mounted secure. That means you can hang serious gear off it, full power board setups, lithium batteries, and you know it's going to stay put when the road gets rough. Now, one of the best things, you don't have to fit your gear up inside your canopy, you can do it here on the bench. So you just simply lay it out, fit up all your gear, flip the panel over, and complete the wiring and cable tie it off. And then when you're done, lift it up and into the canopy. Then when it's ready, bolt it in and plug it up. This removes all electrical headaches and halves the time for install. Even though we designed it around electrical setups, customers are using it for all sorts of mounting options. Milwaukee Packout crates, spade mounts, small parts, axes, fire extinguishers, max track brackets. So whether you're wiring up a full electrical setup for touring or just want somewhere easy to mount your gear, this panel makes it easier, faster, and a whole lot tidier. So check it out today and get one fitted to your ute.